Hi everybody, this is Snow. I have a brand new box that I got to try out. It's called Mindful Souls. There's a reason why I ordered this, and I'm hoping what I think is in here is in here. If that intrigues you, keep on watching. Mindful Souls is a monthly subscription box, and it costs $39.97 a month. Each box will contain 6 to 8 hand-picked items, crystal jewelry, raw crystals, aromatherapy, affirmation cards, home decor, and other spiritual tools, all meant to soothe your mind, body, and soul. I'm sorry about my hair. It's during the day and the sun keeps going in and out even though a huge storm is coming. So I go from being ridiculously glowy on this side of my head to not. And I there's nothing I can do about it. So I do apologize for that. It looks like this. It says, Mindful Souls, we hope you really enjoy your first mindful box. The little things, the little moments, they aren't little. Which is very true. I totally agree with that. First we got a card. Affirmation for creativity. My unique and creative talents and abilities flow through me. Well, I needed to actually hear that. Interesting. And then there's a little Mindful Soul sticker. I don't know what it is about stickers, but everybody likes to give out stickers. And I have to get a sticker book. And then at the top is a dream catcher. It was said that dream catchers caught any harm that might be in the air. As a spider's web, it catches and holds whatever comes in contact with it. So hang it or wear it. Dream catchers are things that bring in positivity in life and peace to your mind. So that's really neat. Next, we have a bottle of fragrance oil, Rosemary. What is this for? Considered sacred, rosemary is one of the most powerful herbs on the planet. Native to the Mediterranean, the wooded evergreen has been used in folk medicine for thousands of years to improve memory, soothe digestive users, relieve muscle aches and pains. It is also known for anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. So now we have these little bags and all the little squishy things. Canvas bags, which are nice. These canvas bags are really nice to open. And then this one, ooh, this is pretty. This is, I'm wondering if the sun there. This is really pretty. It's sparkly too. Okay. Rose Quartz Pointer Crystal. Stone of the Heart. A crystal is unconditional love and infinite peace. It is the most important crystal for the heart and heart chakra, teaching the true essence of love. It purifies and opens the heart at all levels and brings deep inner healing and self-love. It is calming, reassuring, and excellent for use in trauma or crisis. Rose quartz gently draws off negative energy and replaces it with loving vibes. And it says, please note it's important to cleanse and energize your crystals as soon as you obtain them. Allow your crystals to sit under cool running tap water for 10 to 20 minutes. If you are near a natural running river, stones can be placed in an open mesh bag and left for a short time in the natural running water. Huh. Now, let's go with this one. It's got the little logo on the front. These are really cute bags, though. Ooh. I love elephants, and this is a bracelet, and it has white, turquoise, and lava stone bracelet. Oh, these black ones must be the lava stone. Turquoise has long been considered a master healer, said to assist the absorption of nutrients while strengthening the immune system and stimulating tissue regeneration. Black lava beads is an indigenous volcanic rock that is basically molten lava that has solidified under intense pressure and heat. It is a stone of strength, fire, passion, and courage that brings stability throughout changes in your life. It helps you to harness the power of the fire within. Lava beads are porous and can even absorb the oil of your choice. Directions. We suggest applying just a drop or two of essential oil to the black lava beads. The scent will last a day, if not more. You can use any of your favorite essential oils. Well, that's neat. That way better. There you go. Okay. Prized for its purity, the lotus lives in muddy water, yet untouchably wholesome and clean. Thus it reflects the highest expression of beauty. To blossom in the sun, the lotus flower must first grow through muck and mud, a phenomenon that may serve as a moving metaphor for our own spiritual paths. That's really pretty. And very simple. I like that. Alright. Pendulum Amethyst. It's a very, very, very pale, almost pink amethyst in color when you see it in person, which is my birthstone. Amethyst is one of the most spiritual stones, promoting love and encouraging selflessness and spiritual wisdom. Mentally, it helps you feel less scattered, more focused, and in control of your facilities. Tap into the energy of the amethyst to fuel your determination with inspiration. Remind yourself that you can achieve anything you set out to achieve with the help and clarity of amethyst. Make turning into the energy of amethyst the first of many healthy choices in your life. So that is really pretty. But amethyst come in all different shades. That is really gorgeous. And that was why I ordered the box. If you didn't guess. And then last in here, there is a little Buddha, which is cute, and it says Serenity Buddha figurine. This figurine is for people who are either looking for peace and calm in their lives, or for those who wish to improve their own meditation skills. The silhouette of the figurine is shaped more or less like a triangle, which represents stability. So here's a little Buddha. So let's recap what we got. We got this white turquoise and lava bracelet. We got, see, you just pull on these and then they go all the way down, so they're adjustable. And then we got the pendulum amethyst necklace. We got the rose quartz pointer crystal. We got the dream catcher keychain, or whatever you want to do with it. We got a bottle of rosemary oil, which is nice. the Buddha, and we got the very minimalist and pretty lotus flower necklace. This is really a nice box. A nice variety of stuff. And I like the card. Gives you a lot of information on what you're getting. That is my box opening, and I will leave the links below if you want to look into it a little bit more and see if it is something that you are interested in. I really appreciate you stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye!